Okay, so I read somewhere that bungee cords have elastic on the inside, and because there is an elastic shortage for making these COVID-19 masks, I've been trying to get creative in things and places where I can find elastic. One place I found was on the fitted sheets, so it's going to take some time to cut this elastic out of the fitted sheet. But I was told that I've read, rather, that bungee cords have elastic on the inside. So let's see if that's indeed true. And I hope it is. So let's cut off this end. Looks like elastic to me. So how can I get on the inside of this? I'll find something to do with these little hooks later. But let's see how to get in here without cutting my fingers off. Oh, I'm scared. I'm not even sure if this is even worth it. Somebody cut my fingers off. Okay, let's get in there. There's indeed strings of elastic in there. See? But it's not the elastic I want to use on these masks though. Ugh. Yeah, that's not going to work. Not at all. Oh well, I guess I'll wait another month to receive the elastic that I ordered from Amazon.